Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to make a delicious and a refreshing Indonesian dish, a traditional mango pickle called asinan mangga.